Hey loves, welcome to part 2 of my home series. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen that I have just bought a home in London. I'm hoping to move in the next 2 to 3 days, but it's kind of hard juggling 9 to 5 and also trying to move. So I took a half day today and then a full day tomorrow off so that I can focus on moving things. So I have a bunch of stuff in the back of my car because I need to take it to my place. I also have come to Denelm because I've done a click and collect order. I've done 2 click and collect orders actually, and today's the last day that I have before they just refund my money. So I need to go and collect the items, and then I'm going to take all of that stuff to my place, offload my car, and then I think TBC, I'm either going to spend the rest of the day packing or I might go into TK Maxx. There's also B&M here, so I just want to go to B&M as well to see if I can pick up some items. I need like a broom because I don't have that. I need some laundry products because I don't have that either, but those things are not pressing, but I figured since I'm here, might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So let's go into Denelm and pick up my click and collect, and then go to my place and offload all of the stuff in my car. So please excuse the mess behind me. You guys know when you're moving, it's messy. But I've just come back from collecting my order from Denelm, but I was also looking around and there's a few other items that I picked up. So I wanted to show you. I picked up these 100% cotton pillowcases. This is not going to be for my main pillow. It's going to be for my decorative pillows. But I already ordered some from Marks and Spencer, but I saw these and I was like, you can never have too many pillowcases. So there's just plain white 100% cotton pillowcases. And then I also got this washing up sponge. I think it's a pack of 6, I believe. What I actually picked up in store, they were having a 20% off sale. I got this double oven glove and it's quite neutral stripe. There was another one that I actually preferred, but I don't know if anyone else does this, but whenever I'm in store, I will go online and look at the reviews because I feel like obviously in store you don't have the review. So what I did was there was another oven glove that I picked up that I preferred visually, and then it had terrible reviews, whereas this one had really good reviews. So I was like, I'm gonna go for this one, and it's neutral, so you can't really go wrong. I finally picked up a cutlery set. I've been on the hunt for a cutlery set, so I ended up going for this one. And I was umming and ahhing whether I wanted a gold set because I want a lot of my pieces to be gold. Whenever I was doing any of my research, a lot of people were saying that once you wash it a few times, it basically becomes silver again. But I ended up going for this one instead. I played it safe, and I'm not really sure what this style of cutlery is called, but like, for example, how the spoon is shaped and the teaspoon as well. Oh my God, sorry, the camera's gonna figure out where my face is. But I'm not sure what this is called, but this is called the Hex and Brushed Silver Set. I don't know the style, but it comes with 4 knives, 4 forks, 4 teaspoons, and 4 dessert spoons as well. So I got that. So finally I have some cutlery. And then I got this set of tea towels. It's a set of 3, and they have these really pretty frills. And these are just, so this is the first design. Second one is pretty plain. And then we have the stripes, which kind of matches the oven mitt. So very neutral, but that's kind of what I'm going for. Part of my click and collect order were these bath mats. So I ended up picking up 2 because they said they were on sale for like, I believe it was under £5. I was like, do you know what? You cannot go wrong. And they had really good reviews. So I picked up just their bubble bath mat and I got it in the shade Mushroom, which is actually a shade I prefer. And then I also got it in the shade Pebble. And then I got some and then I just got this squeegee for my glass in my shower / bath. And then I also picked up some kitchen utensils. So I did order some kitchen utensils from our place, but there were some items missing. So it didn't have everything needed as part of like a kitchen utensils. It had, so what they didn't have was a potato masher, and I absolutely love mashed potatoes. So all of the Denelm branded utensils were 20% off. So I got a potato masher and it's in this gray shade and they're all in the same color. I also got the 3-in-1 potato peeler, a can opener, and then lastly some scissors as well. And this was only £2.25. So I only spent, it was just under £50 in store. And then online, it was in 2 separate orders, so I can't actually remember. But let me actually get the other item that I ordered. So I got this sort and go built in 2 bins, as you can see, and I'm gonna put it in the cupboard. There's actually no space for a bin, so I have to do like pull out bin situation. So I'm hoping this fits because I need it to fit. I hope I got the measurements right. So let me take you guys off. And then also I got a mirror. Whoops. So I got this bathroom mirror. You can't actually see me, but sell for £28 and it is huge. So I'm hoping that it's gonna go right here. I also got this toilet seat. I wanted to replace the one that was there before. There was nothing wrong with it, but I don't know. I feel like it's just always nice having a new toilet seat. So I haven't actually showed you guys the bathroom. I'm not sure if I showed it in the clip, but this bathroom had its own renovation situation. I'll do a whole video, but I changed the shower unit, I changed the bathtub, and I also changed this kitchen cabinet as well. But girl, I don't want to get into that. But before I leave, I do want to, because this place still smells like paint. I do have a plug-in, like a scent plug-in in the wall, but you can smell it when you walk in, but you can still smell that like paint. So I ended up buying from Amazon wax melt warmers. So I ended up buying 2. So I got, I'm not really sure what the difference is. Oh, actually I do know. One, it has a timer on it. So we've got 1 and then we've got 2. So I'm gonna use this one in the hallway, and then this one, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use it for, but I don't know why I picked up 2, but it is what it is. My sister actually hooked me up on these wax melts from Asda. So I went to her house a couple weeks ago and her house smelled so good, and she told me it was one of these Asda wax melts, and so I went into Asda and I picked up 6. So the one that she actually had in her house was this one called Cuddle Up. And then I also picked up Cotton Blossom, which is kind of coconutty but quite fresh and clean. I got Cherry Pistachio Macaron. Oh my god, it's literally edible. It smells so good. Then I got Wonderland, which is apple, lily of the valley, and strawberries. And then I got Warm White Sands, which is coastal wood, pineapple, and coconut water. Lastly, I got Vanilla Velvet, which is vanilla and white patchouli. So which one am I going to... Oh, this one smells like a Middle Eastern like food. Oh, love that. I think I'm gonna copy her and burn Cuddle Up because it smells so good. So wait, how do I cut? Do I need a knife? Because I don't have knives in here. Okay, no, I don't need a knife. How many do I put? Just 1? I'll do 1 for now and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in the hallway and let's see. I think I actually opened the wrong one because I don't see a timer on that one. So I think it's this one. I hope it's this one. Ooh. Yes, so it's this one. It has the timer on it. So you can put it for either 4 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. So I'm just gonna do 4 hours because I'm not gonna be here very long. And I'm gonna leave it unattended. So I'm gonna just unravel it. Excuse this, it is dirty, but like I said, we had builders and do need to get a cleaner. So hopefully she's gonna come tomorrow and do a deep clean of this place. So I'm gonna get my wax melt. I'm just gonna dump it in there. And then let's take it to the hallway. I forgot my tripod. So I'm having to do like whole switcheroo. So I'm gonna unplug this scent that I had. It actually smells really good. And then I'm gonna plug this in like, let's do 4 hours. Just gonna leave it in the corner there. So I've just left it in the corner on the floor. So hopefully that starts to smell really good. And I'll put this plug in the kitchen. Is it on? I hope so. Hey loves, so it's actually the next day, and like I said, I have taken today off because I just need time to focus and get things done. So firstly, I have my IKEA PAX wardrobes being delivered today, and then I also have a handyman coming who's going to put the wardrobes together. And then I also want to put up my bed because it's still in the box. And then I also want to bring as much of my things over today. So my boyfriend has also taken the time off to help me. So as I was coming, I brought some things over and they're all dispersed between the different rooms. I'm trying to, every time I bring things over, I'm trying to put things that are for that room in that room rather than just dumping it everywhere, because hopefully once I unpack, it should be easier. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys as I wait for my delivery to come. I wanted to show you the things I got from TK Maxx yesterday. So I didn't film in the store because, to be honest, I wasn't really sure if I was gonna find anything, but I picked up a couple gems. Are you guys okay there? I feel like you guys are a little bit wonky. Let's fix it. So I got this big old bag that I never usually pay for bags. I usually just bring my own, but I didn't have any bags with me, so I had to pay for that. So anyway, so the first thing I picked up was this faux fur decorative pillow. I have been meaning to find some more pillows. I did pick up some from George Asda, but I want my room to feel like a hotel room, or at least my bed to feel like one. So I want a lot of pillows. So I saw this and I was like, I absolutely love it. It feels incredibly soft. And what I love the most is that it doesn't shed. I went to B&M like a week or two ago and I picked up a pillow that wasn't this shape, but it was like a traditionally shaped pillow, but this sort of fluffy material, and it was shedding so badly. Like, it was all over my clothes, and I just thought, I ended up putting it down because I was like, I don't like that. It was shedding way too much, and I wasn't even doing that much. I literally was just holding it like this, and it was all over my clothes, whereas this doesn't shed. So definitely better quality, and this was only $12.99, so I got that. And then on the theme of pillows, I also got this duo set. Oh my god, making so much mess. But this is just the Royal Studio Home Decor decorative pillow set, and it's a set of 2, of course. This was only, where's the price? This was £25 for 2. So I don't think that was bad considering that I'm getting 2 pillows. Oh, leave that there. And then I got more kitchen towels. So you saw yesterday that I picked up some kitchen towels from Denelm, and I saw these from Mason Cash. And I just thought they were really, really pretty, and they felt like they were really good quality. Comes with 4 designs. So this design, this one that's plain. Actually, it comes with 2 designs, but you get 2 of each. So there's a pack of 4, and then I've actually heard of Mason Cash. Like, it meant to be a big brand. I have no idea. But this was only $8.99. So I picked these up. I do find that the ones from Denelm, they look pretty, but I'm like, how am I supposed to like my dishes with this, because it's like a really thin material, whereas this feels like it's going to absorb the water from my plates and things like that. I also got some scissors. I know I picked up some from Denelm, but I wanted 2 pairs of scissors. I also got this bath mat, and I got it in pink. They did have clear, but I felt like the clear, I don't know, I feel like whenever you buy things that are clear, they always turn like a weird color over time. So I got this, and this was only $5.99. Everything that I got from TK Maxx. Okay, there you go. And this is the other side. So it's like obviously not 100% accurate, but it does the job. So you can kind of figure out. So I want the sofa here, obviously like closer to the wall, and then a dining table over there. And then the TV to hopefully be on this side. Where is it? On this wall here. So yeah, I'm trying to figure that out while I wait for the delivery of the PAX wardrobes. It's a bit annoying waiting around because there's like nothing to do. There's no sofa, there's no nothing. I literally just have my phone and God. So I've just been editing some TikTok. So I'm gonna figure out this whole sofa situation so I can hopefully order it today. The delivery is relatively quick, so hopefully I can get it delivered within the next like day or 2. So it's about 2 in the afternoon, and I'm waiting for the handyman to put together my IKEA PAX wardrobes. But in the meantime, I brought even more stuff over, as you can see, and I have it dotted in different rooms. And then I'm also currently setting up my Ring camera. Well, my boyfriend's helping me, and I'm just doing the bits that I can do. So hopefully the handyman gets here soon so that we can leave. But it's been a somewhat productive day. I've moved pretty much 95% of my things over. So now I just need to pretty much unpack